In this question, we are given that a merchant discounted the sale price of a coat and the sale price of a sweater. We need to find which of the two articles of clothing was discounted by the greater dollar amount. Now, by dollar amount, it means that we need to find the discount in the units dollars. Okay, so let's move on to step 2 since there isn't much information to do the P analysis on. Let's start with statement 1. It tells me that the percent discount on the coat was 2 percentage points greater than the percent discount on sweater. So suppose the discount on sweater is equal to D%. Now what does 2 percentage points greater mean? We'll understand by taking two scenarios. Okay, the first is 2% greater than discount. Okay, and the second scenario which is given in the question is 2 percentage points greater. So if in the first scenario D is the discount, it would mean D plus 2% of D. However, in the second scenario, since it means 2 percentage points, it will imply D plus 2%. So this means that the discount on the coat is equal to D plus 2%. But we cannot find out the dollar amount, right? The discount in the dollar amount from statement 1, since we have only one variable, no equation, no other information that we can rely on. So statement 1 is not sufficient, and out of the given answer choices, we will eliminate answer choice A and D. Moving on to statement 2. Statement 2 tells me that before the discounts, the sale price of the coat was $10 less than the sale price of the sweater. So, suppose the price of sweater, or let me write sale price to be more specific, this is X dollars. So, the sale price of coat is going to be X minus $10. Again, this is just in terms of X, right? And we don't have any other information which we can equate, nor do we know about the discount. So this makes statement 2 not sufficient, and we eliminate answer choice B. Now let's move on to the last step, which is step 3, and combine the information given in statement 1 and statement 2. Now if I write this down in a tabular form, I have coat and sweater, and I have the discount and the sale price before the discount, right? So if I plug in the values, the discount for the coat is D plus 2% and the sale price of the coat is X minus $10, and the discount for the sweater is D% and the sale price is X dollars. Now the question basically wants us to find that the discount in the greater dollar amount was given to which of these, right? So basically we either need to check if D plus 2% of X minus 10 is less than D% of X, or we can also check for D plus 2% of X minus 10 is greater than D% of X. We need to check which one is valid. But notice guys, this is an inequality with two variables, right? One X and one D, and it will not be possible for you to find out the value, and hence the statements combined are also not sufficient. So the correct answer choice is option E.